In this video, we're going to see how to edit a piece of clip art. So here is a piece of clip art that I've downloaded from Microsoft Office Images Online, and you can see earlier I've managed to edit it by removing the background, changing the color of the lady's dress, changing the color of the bin and the man's tie, and various other elements. So if we want to do that, we have to ungroup the clip art first. So I've copied and pasted it onto a new chart, and if I want to maybe work with it, I want to make it a bit bigger. Again, use the tip of pressing the shift key down. That allows you to resize it but keep the correct aspect ratio. We can always make it smaller later. To edit it, we need to right click, go to group and click on ungroup. This gives us a message, and we just simply say, do we want to change it to a Microsoft Office drawing object? Yes, we do. And now we can select the different elements. They're still grouped together, and we can right click and group and ungroup all of the elements, which allows us then to work with different elements in more detail. That step is probably unnecessary in that we can still edit the different elements even when they're grouped together. So for example, if I wanted to delete the background, I would just select different elements of the background, and now I've deleted it except for the bookcase. To delete the bookcase, it's made of so many different elements, you'd be there quite a while pressing delete. The monitor now is much more difficult to see, so we might want to recolor that. Double clicking on it brings up our formatting menu, and we can change the shape fill. So let's make it black. And you can see that's part of it, but we also maybe want to select this element and make that black as well. So we now have our black monitor. If we want to change the color of the bin, it's grey. We can change the shape fill and also the shape edge if we want, and let's make it kind of a garish color, so yellow. Once we're happy with it, we can then again, using the shift key, resize down, and we now have our clip art modified as we want.